Welcome to 2018 and the new base camp. Happy New Year, everyone. A start to a new year. To the road where everybody's camping. That wasn't far of a trip. It was only like 30 miles. But there's some soft sand. Hold on a second. Let's go check and see. Okay, so they're supposed to be past this point. Like, what is it, 4 more miles, I think?
Yeah, it's hard up there. It's just this beginning.
I know, but look how soft that sand is. I wonder where they are, and you're kind of stuck, aren't you?
I don't know.
So I'm gonna back it up for you and see if we can't. Yeah, because I can see where your tires are starting to dig in. Oh wow, this is really soft. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think I want to go past here.
Can you make some of this from behind here?
He has to sit in your lap.
Okay.
I didn't even want to try.
Nope.
I feel it sinking.
Yeah. It gets going. And
The back is not at all, and the front is.
we're almost out of the soft
I know.
stuff. Really.
Yeah, but it's front wheel
I felt it sinking, and it's a front wheel
drive, right?
Oh yeah. It's way
Like fast. Yeah, you know, let me call Puddin or Mick, because Mick has the 4-wheel drive just in case.
Yeah, just get the sand out of there. Okay, so we're getting bogged down a little bit. I'm gonna try to back out a little more. Hopefully we don't get.
I'm afraid it's gonna bottom out.
I know, so we'll see. Yeah, then we don't want to bottom out. If that gets close, make sure you tell me.
It looks higher on the other
Andrew,
side.
I'm gonna need you to get over, please, sir. Go.
Don't let him spill my drink, please. He will. Thank you. You're not any lower, it's just spinning. You're not going any lower though.
I know, but you don't want to bog in. That
Right.
makes it even harder.
No, that's good. It's good that you're not any.
All right, hold on.
No, it's going down over here.
Okay.
I think it bottomed out now.
So
You're gonna have to have someone pull us out.
Yeah, you need some recovered tracks.
Okay. Do you think those yellow Lego thingies will work? They're pretty flat. We could try.
The bottom is sitting on the sand now, and it's not gonna.
What bottom?
The bottom of the vehicle right over here. It's real low on this side.
Oh, on this side it is?
Yeah, it's really low.
Oh no, it's not touching it.
Well, up under there. That's what I'm talking about. Up under
Yeah, because
there
it's spitting sand. Okay, so, but, all right.
This happened to us before in this vehicle.
You know what? If we had, I have a tow rope. Can you pull up a little bit and pull? Yep.
Oh, okay.
I need that tow rope.
Okay.
It'll help pull out.
Yeah.
Because if you have to call a company, it's going to be
No, we won't.
Definitely not trying to make light of the situation, but it is much better that we got the van stuck instead of the RVs, because the van will be a lot easier to get out than these RVs. So fortunately, she was in lead of everyone, and we didn't get a big rig stuck in the sand. So there it is, and like I said, it's rated for 10,000 pounds. So we're just trying to find something to connect it to. Did you say you know where the something is?
Yeah.
We have the tow rope attached. There was just nothing to attach it to the RV, so we backed up the RV and some friends are coming with a 4x4 to help pull us out.
Did something not go as planned?
No, she got stuck in the sand. I tried to back out, but it's way too soft. I did it slow,
Oh,
so.
you almost got stuck too.
No, I didn't get stuck.
Oh, you tried backing her out for her.
Yeah, because she was stuck in the sand, so I'm gonna get off this road because the cars are going by so fast.
Of course, I probably got 10 feet of slack.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and tell you when. You're good. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. You got it. All right, there you go. Okay, let me get out the way.
Like ready-ish or what?
I think he is. Wait, before you go, hold on. Let me see if he's
I
ready.
don't have my foot on the gas or nothing. I'm gonna wait till it starts pulling.
Starts pulling. Okay, good. All right, he says he's gonna wait on you to start going. He's got it's in reverse and everything. There it goes. Good job. Yay.
I'm just idling.
All right, that's good. Okay, you can stop. The rope's going underneath.
Nice.
Good job, y'all.
Yeah, that was pretty smooth.
Yeah, that was really smooth. Good job, kids. It probably would have been better if y'all were outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that way you don't add weight because you know you're so heavy and stuff.
I'm
You
light
weigh-
as a feather.
I know you probably weigh what 60 pounds.
No, Aja.
Yeah.
No.
Good job.
I bet she's. Thank you so much. You guys,
Yeah,
that was
my
smooth.
adventurous side over the years, I've been in my share of trouble. I've towed and been towed my share of times.
So you'd rather be the tower instead of the towee?
I like what,
Yeah,
how much
I don't
was
wanna
this?
be
Where'd you
stuck.
get it?
I got it from Walmart. They're good to have.
We need to get.
Well,
Yeah,
get one.
definitely.
And I also
and
thought,
even
you know
one
what?
or
I'm
two of
always
those.
the guinea
Right.
pig.
And this is exactly why I brought this.
Yeah.
That I like how long that one is.
Yeah, that one's super long.
Yeah, super long.
Feet maybe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That thing's awesome.
So we just need to wait on Pudding to show us the way, right?
No, pudding.
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 Are you guys stuck?
We just got out. So y'all, where is this? Is the road up here?
Yeah.
We're gonna take you a hard packed road because we don't know how soft that's gonna be going through there.
I know.
Some big soft spots.
You're
And
right.
you guys came in the back way. This isn't the way to get in.
I know, but this is the way the GPS told us to come in. So,
Well, it's,
dang it. So I know we should have went further up. So. Okay.
well, you should have come off of 8 at 115.
Oh, okay.
Whatever.
It told us to come this way. So.
131, and
All
then,
right.
It's all good.
Yeah, I just saw that actually. I was looking up on the GPS and saw. Okay, well I guess we'll follow y'all.
Okay.
All right.
So get pulled up there to where we can get all like behind you and
Yeah,
stuff.
that
Okay,
works.
thank you.
Yep.
All right.
All right, thankfully we're all unstuck and ready to go. All right, this is Hold Ridge Road. So this looks definitely much better than what we were just on. Oh God, it's still sandy. I see I spoke too soon. Lord. Okay, we made it through. Okay, it seems pretty hard packed right here. Thanks, Beverly. Alright, so we have made it to the new base camp, the hot springs area. So I don't know what they're waiting on. Not sure if we can make it up there, what we're doing. So I guess I'll get to y'all as soon as I find out. Alright, well, some girl is stuck on the side of the road, so they're helping her get out real quick. So what's going on?
I don't know, but I'm wondering if it's a good idea to take our RVs back there. This lady's stuck in her van.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
And-
There's a
and
lot
Puddin'
of soft sand as we were coming.
I think Puddin said that he pulled 3 people out yesterday.
Oh, 3 people? Oh, jeez,
So
Louise.
I don't want to get my RV stuck.
I don't
You
either.
don't want to get Panda stuck.
What about right back here somewhere? There's a lot of hard ground here. Well, there's someone right there. We don't want to invade their camp spot.
And so who's already up there? Can somebody call somebody and say, somebody's already say, hey, what's it like up there? Is
Well,
it
I mean,
safe
they
to bring
came
RV?
from there. And Puddin has a big, like,
The travel trailer.
travel trailer, right? I mean, his is huge.
Well, that's true.
It's even bigger than my RV, so.
Yeah.
And he does have some, I see him taking his recovery tracks out.
Well, because they gave up. They said that's not gonna.
Oh, it's not going to work with the recovery tracks?
No,
Oh.
she's stuck pretty bad.
Because she kept on. See, that's the thing. You gotta see if you can get out. But once you bog
gotta
down,
stop.
but so far you gotta learn when to just
Yeah.
stop and ask for help.
Yeah.
So that's why it was easy to get her out, because we just stopped and we didn't bog it down any further. All right, so
So, I
Lord.
don't know what Puddin's doing. If he's gonna. I don't know if we all go ahead and go through and he'll come back, or if he's just gonna do it now.
All right.
Looks like he's just gonna do it now.
Okay. All right. So I guess we'll just wait for that.
Yeah. I guess I'll walk up and see.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk up there
They
for a
probably have
second.
everything they need.
Hello, Benjo. Hello, Ladyface. Look at the poochies. Hey. So y'all are being good Samaritans? Are we getting it? Oh, wow, you are stuck pretty deep.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
I've probably been on video being towed out of a spot before.
Oh, have you really? Oh, no. Wow, you got in really good.
Yeah, don't know how.
Oh,
I got in,
Okay.
and then I backed out.
so,
Good.
right.
Just kind of got unlucky, I think.
Yeah.
For
Yeah, all it takes is a lot of soft sand.
Yeah, just a soft bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That whole real thing.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Huh?
Reverse.
What?
Reverse. She said neutral, reverse, reverse.
Tell her to keep her window down so she can listen to stop.
Yeah.
And you might want to angle your tires a little bit this way. Turn your wheel.
Other way.
Watch out for doggy. Come here, doggies. Come on. There you go. Good job. I know.
Way to do it.
Good job.
Another foot or two.
Keep on going.
There you go.
Yay!
Oh, you're okay.
So look how
Stop. Whoa.
you're good. You're good. Stop. Stop. So look how deep you can get
You're
bogged.
done. You're good. You need to stay on the path.
It's all good
right?
to there.
It's all hard packed.
Yes, it is all hard packed.
Good.
Don't make me get the drill out again.
I know.
Hi, baby.
I got semi stuck, and I was like,
Are you getting ready to drive there, Beyonce?
Yes.
You're not old enough to drive, ma'am.
Just I am. I'm about to be 11.
Oh, a whole 11. I think you got 4 more years, honey. All right, this circus train is moving along. All right, good girl. All right, I believe we are ready to get going. Hopefully no more people stuck in the sand. That was just someone that we just came across, so luckily we were coming this way, or she probably would have been in deep trouble because she was stuck pretty bad. But that's a good thing about having a 4x4 truck. Pulled it right on out, no problem. So I think base camp is only a quarter of a mile. Yeah, a quarter of a mile. Bye, stuck spot. Wow. So if you get off in these little things, you got to be careful because you never know where it's really soft sand at, and it's easy to get stuck, especially if you're by yourself and not in a tribe. Then you have no one to help you pull you out. You have to do it on your own. Hopefully you have recovery tracks. It's a good item to have if you're camping by yourself. But actually they used recovery tracks on her, but it was just too deep. They just went ahead and just pulled her out. Almost there. In the distance. Done. Alright, this is where Panda's new spot is. I think it's awesome. So this is a different shot of base camp. Everybody's packed in. Looks nice and homey. It was only $400. Yeah, they're getting cheap nowadays, but yeah, 55-inch for a pop-up trailer. One whole wall TV. That's too funny. Okay. Yeah, you could just fold up the TV when you fold up that side of the RV.
I love that. Let me see it. Holy cow! Want to see my smooth ass rock?
One guy with.
Okay, so you said this was a one-guy tent putting up. I see. How many? 7. 7, including one woman.
Like reality TV show, everybody like ducks out of the shot and they take a shot of the one person who supposedly did it.
Okay, I'm just saying your awning is bigger than your RV. Or maybe the same size, just saying.
You gonna be able to get in the door now, though? I'm gonna see if I can go up by that was it.
What do you think about the whole ordeal, Beyonce?
I don't know.
Alright, well, this is new base camp for now. The RTR is coming up in 9 days. Hopefully, I'll see some of y'all there at the RTR in Quartzsite. I'm excited about it. I smell them cooking dinner. They're back there under the tent, and they're going ahead and getting dinner started. So, hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Everyone stay safe out there. Until then, onward bound, and I love everyone out there. Mwah. Bye for now.